I think it's been an absolutely incredible summer for Welsh football in terms of what the national team achieved in France. I think the important thing now is that filters down to all levels of Welsh football. Communities came together, there were events held all over Wales, and if that can be bottled and taken into the Welsh Premier where the communities actually support the teams, that is either in terms of their attendance at games, willingness to be volunteers, and even youngsters wanting to take up the game and be involved with the club.
You've played in the league for a number of years now. How have you seen the league improve and progress in that time?
Going down to the 12, I think the standard of teams, they're getting a lot better. Yes, it's definitely going to be tougher. Connors Key and Bala, but other teams coming up, all improving the league all the time. So we've got to step up our game.
When I first arrived, I think it was 20 teams this year, especially with Connors Key as well progressing. Now I think now's the time to be in the league.
Being in Europe, it's been a stop-start with pre-season. We've had 2 weeks off, so the last couple of weeks we've got going again, and now you just want Sunday to come in, get that first competitive game.
We'll bring honesty to begin with, hard work, endeavour. We'll have a play that's similar to TNS, not necessarily with TNS by a long way. It's fresh, young, enthusiastic students that really want to highlight their own abilities as well, and we'll be organised and we'll be structured.
The new facilities that a lot of the Welsh Premier clubs have, it attracts players of all ages, of all abilities, and they're used throughout the week. It creates that sense of community, so that people involved in that community, and maybe if you're thinking you're using that facility to train, one day you'll want to play for your local club.